So as you work along with different projects inside of CapCut, what happens is that you get certain notifications on what is happening. And to access that, you need to go around over here on the top where you see the bell icon. And that is where you see all of the notifications. So if you were to go around and click right here, then you can see that it says you've invited this person for to join the workspace and so forth, and you've invited this person to join the workspace and so forth. So you can go around and click on check right here to see what is happening right here, and you can see the notification takes you to all of the areas right here. You can also go around and click on all red right here, just like this, and what happens is that they will be marked as red and you won't get the notification anymore as well. So that is simply how you can go around and get access to your notification and check what is going on with your project management to keep track of everything that is happening in CapCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.